Hey everyone, welcome to Let's Learn with Civil Together. Today let's find out what does a civil engineer do. Civil engineers are the people who design, build and maintain the world around us. They create buildings, bridges, roads, dams and airports. Everything that makes modern life possible. That start by planning and designing, using surveys and drawings. Then they supervise construction, making sure everything is safe, strong, and built with a quality. Civil engineers also work on water supply, drainage, and environmental projects, helping our cities run smoothly and sustainably. In short, they turn dreams into real structure and help build a better world for everyone. So, friends, next time you see a bridge, road, or tall building, remember a civil engineer made it happen. Like, share, subscribe for more civil engineering videos.